Today we will be drawing an engine. To draw an engine, open MS Paint, take a rectangle, choose your color, draw the first rectangle, take the second rectangle, fill the rectangle, place the third rectangle, change the color, fill the color, take another rectangle, and draw the rectangle and fill it with the color. Take the fifth rectangle and fill it with color. Now take the triangle, place the triangle over the fifth rectangle, fill it with color. For the wheels, take the oval tool, draw the wheels, small one, then a little big one, then the biggest one, small circle inside the big one, and fill color. Inside this we can fill yellow color. Now take a rectangle, take a color and draw a rectangle over it and fill this rectangle. The blue color. Just fill it. Now this is the drawing of your engine. So choose any font of your wish and your engine is ready. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this.